This makeup has no liquid foundation, no concealer, no liquid eyeliner. Let's see how I did this look. Just another quick makeup look today. I've already used my sunscreen and my moisturizer. This is the Ollie Damson. This is the Ashwagandha Bounce cream by 82E. So all that is done. I need to really do a quick look. So I'm going to quickly prime my face. I love this because I don't have to apply the primer. I just spray it on. It just makes my life easy. This is Suneri by Ollie Active Ayurveda. I just love it. My face is primed. It gets absorbed easily also. So I'm not going to use any concealer or any liquid foundation, but the way to make the skin look even more clear is to use a dark lipstick, and that's what we will do. I'm using a lip plumper. You can use a lip balm, whatever you want of your choice, as long as you don't use lipstick on dry lips. Face is moisturized enough. I'm going straight in with my powder foundation. This is the PAC 245 brush. Face is moisturized enough, so it's not a problem. Less layers, look more natural. I got this product called the Ultimate Kajal by Simply Nam. This is a brown. I've been dying to try it for a very long time. This one's called Intense Brown. So it's like a kajal as well as an eyeshadow stick. So let's see what we can do. Oh, very pigmented. Very nice. But I don't want such a tight line. So, okay, so this could be also like an eyeliner. But what we'll do is we'll use the smudger at the back, which seems quite good. Let's see how this works. I love soft eye looks, so need to put a little more. And let's use the smudger. No fallouts. So you can use this as a kajal as well as like a nice smoky brown, or I also got the black one, which I will try. I always need to blend a little with my hand. Don't need to be neat, just blend it well. All the products I use are all available either on Nykaa, Tira, Sephora. I don't link them because the link actually expires in a month. So then I get OCD. I have to go and like fix the link in every video that I've ever made. Then that's all I'll do, you know. So everything is captioned. If you don't find it there, just Google it. See, one of the ways to learn makeup well is to know how to buy makeup. Don't buy things blindly. Check them out, read about them, and then buy it. Okay. And now what I'll do is I'll use a little on the lower lash line. Very little. Literally easy daily makeup. But I'm not going to smudge this part. Okay. Let me set my eyebrow. So this is like just a bit of a brown, shady, not shady, but shaded eye look. But you can also use this as a kajal. This is the Bad Gal by Mascara. Not very heavy, but I really like it. It's by Benefits. Eye makeup is done. I always line and fill out my lips with a nude lip liner. It gives a even surface to work on, as well as the lipstick stays longer. I'm going to go for a dark lipstick. So I'm going to use this lip liner, which is dark. This is Chestnut by MAC. This is Diva by MAC. Take off the first layer, then you'll stay longer. Touch up your lip liner. Then touch up your lipstick again. Or to use a blush, this is Sun Kissed Pink by Nude Sticks. Apply it in this angle and you won't need to contour. All the makeup is gliding on because of all the moisturizing. I have dry skin, so I can tell you about that. But do a skin prep that suits your skin type and find out your skin type from a dermatologist, not by following any influencer. Your skin is yours alone. So that's the only way you're going to really get a solution for your own skin type. I'll use a little highlighter. If you need to touch up your powder, then you do so. I'll show you how. Just under your eyes and wherever else required. Daily makeup, practical makeup should be like this, according to me. Do your layers, do your whole look where you need to, but otherwise, this is fine, right?